Hi everybody, this is Mike. I'm so excited, happy, and glad to announce the new memberships feature for this channel. That means that now, if you want to show your support to this channel, you can become a member. And we have three different membership levels available. We have the Apoyo Básico, which is basic support. We have the Parcero level, which is like the body level. And we have the Voy con Toda, which is I'm all in. Depending on the membership level, you have access to different features. And this is as a way to thank you for your support to this channel. Among others, you're gonna have access to customized emojis. Your comments are gonna be prioritized for replying. You get customized badges. You have access to brand new videos only for members. You have access to live stream sessions, a lot of things that we have available for you as a way to thank for your support. So looking forward to having you as a member. Thanks for all your support. That means that things are not going to really change for this channel. I'm going to keep on uploading videos on a weekly basis. I'm going to have live streams for everybody. We're going to have live classes for everybody. But for those who want to become a member, we have those special features. So go ahead if you want to support our channel. Now you know what to do. Click on the join button, check for the different options, and choose the one that suits you better. So looking forward to having you as a member. Don't worry if you can't become a member, or if you simply don't want to become a member. You can also show the appreciation for the channel by liking the videos, sharing in your groups with your friends and social media, and subscribing to the channel. That also helps a lot for our growth. So thanks a lot. Check for the different features, make your choice, and see you on next videos. Bye bye.